Hello, welcome. I am A.K. Jamara from Shri R.N. Deshpande Government First Grade College, Mulgund, District Gadag, Karnataka. My topic is use of articles. There are three articles, A, an and the. These articles can be classified as definite articles and indefinite articles. The is called the definite articles when we speak of a particular person or thing. We use a definite article the. Two indefinite articles, a and an, and they do not point out any particular thing or person. The use of articles, an is used before the words beginning with a vowel sound. 5 English vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds, and an is used before the words beginning with vowels. For example, an extra pen, an aunt, an ugly bird, an ink pot, etc. A, which is used before the words that begin with consonants. So the use of a and an is depend on the sound, vowels and consonants. So before the words that begin with consonants, a is used. For example, a thirst cow, thirst begins with a consonantal sound. A good friend, good begins with a consonant sound. A 1 rupee note, a one, the first sound seems as a vowel, but it sounds w. It is a consonantal sound. Therefore, we use a before one, a 1 rupee note. The second classification, that is the definite article the. So we use the when we speak about a particular person or thing. For example, this is the bag that you gifted. So we are here referring the bag, particular bag which is gifted by somebody. So before that bag we refer here the. This is the bag that you gifted. The is also used with superlatives. For example, Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most famous sports person in the world. And there are various places where definite article the is used. So we use the before the names of the well-known buildings and institutions. For example, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the India Gate, etc. The is used before the names of the trains. For example, the Rajdhani Express, the Shatabdi Express, the Intercity Express, etc. And the is also used before the newspapers. For example, the Hindu, the Indian Express, etc. It is used before the names of the rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Tungabhadra, etc. So the also is used before the names of the seas. For example, the Arabian Sea. It is also used before the names of the deserts, the Sahara deserts. It is also used before the names of the oceans. For example, the Indian Ocean. It is also used before the names of the books, particularly religious books. For example, the Bible, etc. And the is also used with the directions. For example, the east, the west, the north, the south, etc. Thank you.